like you're rushing out the door every holiday season, super stressed, second guessing your outfit, and hoping for the best in all of your family photos? Well, let's change that. Join me, Ada DeFerrari, stylist and designer behind Ada Collection, for a cozy, live Holiday Capsule Closet workshop, where you learn how to create chic, effortless, and holiday outfits using what you already own in your closet. You'll be able to get ready in minutes, not hours, and your closet will finally make sense to you. And you'll receive more compliments than ever. You always look so chic, even at this last minute event. And you'll shine in every holiday photo without buying a new wardrobe. So now, together we'll mix, match, and style your favorite pieces into a holiday capsule wardrobe that makes you feel beautiful, that makes you feel organized, confident, and totally in control, instead of overwhelmed and always feeling rushed. Free to join, limited spots available. Click below to save your seat now.